The United States quietly sent long-range ballistic missiles to Ukraine as part of a package for military support. According to U.S. officials, Ukraine has used the weapons twice. The longer-range Army tactical missile systems can hit targets as far as 300 kilometers away. The Swedish company Saab has finalized the delivery of a fourth Global Eye airborne surveillance and control aircraft to the United Arab Emirates. Global Eye is a multi-domain airborne surveillance aircraft that integrates long-range radars and active-passive sensors, enabling detection and identification of objects in air, sea and land. Hanwha Aerospace, a leading South Korean defense company, signed $1.64 billion deal to supply 72 units of Chunmoo multiple launch rocket system to Poland. Under the contract, Hanwha will supply 72 Chunmoo launchers and 80 km range guided missiles and 290 km range guided missiles. Quantum Systems has opened a drone factory and development hub in Ukraine to fast-track the supply of reconnaissance capabilities for the Ukrainian armed forces. The German company's second facility in Ukraine is expected to increase its production capacity to 1,000 drones per year, including spare parts.